I'm Ashley Johnson. I'm standing in the original lobby of the Arizona Biltmore as it appeared in 1929, which was the grand opening of the Arizona Biltmore. So the story actually started in 1910 when three brothers from Chicago, Illinois moved here to Phoenix, Arizona. Literally there were 10,000 people living in Phoenix at that time. We have 5-6 million people living here now. The two younger brothers started a Dodge dealership in downtown Phoenix and started doing little picnic tours around the Camelback Mountain, around this area where the Arizona Biltmore is, and soon realized, wait a minute, we need to build a hotel or a resort. Their older brother, Albert Chase MacArthur, was a student of Frank Lloyd Wright's, so in a lot of ways this building was designed and inspired by Frank Lloyd Wright, but also worked on by Albert Chase MacArthur. This is the Catalina pool as it was in 1929. In this shot we have all these folks hanging out around this pool. Water captivated people at the Arizona Biltmore. I think it had to do with the desert, the dryness, and it was just a great place for people to hang out around the pool. We have 6 pools at the Arizona Biltmore now. On the way to the Catalina pool is the Paradise pool, which is our family pool. Then we have a big slide and it's where the families hang out. Behind me is the Spire Bar. It was built in honor of Frank Lloyd Wright. If you look very closely, you can see circles and squares. This whole area where this bar is where people have been hanging out ever since 1929. There's terrace in the back, and it's amazing to see this now in modern day terms. The ambiance in the evenings is unbelievable here at the Spire Bar.